Eccentric, fascinating, and wildly innovative, Trilobe's Une Folle Journée is another timepiece that embodies the brand's innovative approach to watchmaking. While the Une Folle Journée is reminiscent of its earlier groundbreaking creations, Trilobe pushes the bounds of horology even further with this new release, all while observing the traditions of fine watchmaking and keeping its design elegant. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. Stay with us as we reveal an avant-garde way of telling time. As an authorized retailer of Trilobe watches, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large collection of the latest Trilobe models, including the Une Folle Journée. Visit us at one of our boutiques in Geneva, Zurich, or Lucerne, or from our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. In its quest to reimagine time-telling, Trilobe first experimented with rotating and deconstructed indications with the Les Matinaux, where we see 3 concentric discs take the place of hours, minutes, and seconds hands, the scales of time as they are coined. The Une Folle Journée's largest disc or ring represents hours, the median for minutes, and the smallest one for seconds, flying at a height of 10.2 millimeters. Multidimensionality is an important aesthetic factor for this piece, where we see a 10.2 domed sapphire case overhead the watch's concentric indications. Numerals are precisely pad-printed on the concave curved rings, while the pointer directs to the present indication. While the new Une Folle Journée strongly resembles one of Trilobe's earlier pieces, the Les Matinaux, the architectural aesthetic of the Une Folle Journée lends it a more contemporary feel, and unlike its predecessor, the new piece frees itself of a base dial, instead having the rotating discs suspended over the base plate, thanks to columns attached to the wheels underneath. The perched discs not only provide a more dramatic design, they also offer the wearer a peek into the movement inside. A mesmerizing construction worthy of one's attention, the rotating discs sit against a grained, dark-coated base plate so that the moving elements are given a high level of visibility. All the parts are made in titanium to keep the display as light as possible, conserving the watch's power. The Une Folle Journée comes in a 40.5mm titanium grade 5 case that's been polished and brushed, and with its screw-down crown and screwed sapphire case back, guarantees 50 meters of water resistance. The watch is equipped with a color-matched alligator strap closed by a pin buckle. Thanks to its very smooth case design, it fits very well on various wrist sizes and also is the perfect companion for many occasions. At the heart of the Une Folle Journée is Trilobe's signature cubic Eccentric 3 automatic movement. The 196-part movement comes with a micro-rotor that beats at a 4 Hz frequency, multi-tiered bridges and plates with edges polished by hand or with diamond tools. The caliber's parts are beautifully finished with its matte bridges and plate, polished bevels and rhodium-plated wheels, resulting in a nice contrast against the black background. Promising 48 hours of autonomy, the movement not only offers a mesmerizing show of small parts working harmoniously together, but it also boasts various textures and a touch of chiaroscuro. Trilobe was always about breaking the rules and thinking outside the box, and certainly with the Une Folle Journée, it does just that. The Trilobe Une Folle Journée is priced at 21,500 Swiss francs and is available in blue or black. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have this Trilobe Une Folle Journée watch in stock. If you haven't already, visit us at any of our 3 locations in Zurich, Geneva, and Lucerne to discover our collection of Trilobe watches. Alternatively, you can also visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. So, if you need a specific watch right now, Les Ambassadeurs will be at your doorstep with your new timepiece in a flash. What are your thoughts about discs taking the place of traditional hands to indicate time? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other Trilobe timepiece for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.